What sectors are most affected by the 2026 layoffs linked to AI advancements? The truth might shock you as AI reshapes job markets faster than expected. Discover which industries face the biggest changes and why. The manufacturing sector is at the forefront of AI-driven layoffs in 2026. Automated machines and AI-powered robots increasingly perform tasks that were once manual and repetitive. This leads to significant cuts in factory floor jobs. Companies are investing heavily in AI to boost efficiency, but that means fewer human workers. The pace of automation in manufacturing is faster than in many other sectors, making it one of the hardest-hit industries. Administrative and clerical jobs suffer major layoffs as AI tools handle scheduling, data entry, and routine communications. Intelligent software can now process invoices, manage calendars, and answer common queries without human help. This automation reduces the need for traditional office support staff. As AI becomes smarter, fewer administrative roles remain necessary, especially in corporate and government offices. Retail is another sector heavily affected by AI layoffs. Self-checkout machines and AI-driven inventory systems reduce the need for cashiers and stock clerks. Online shopping platforms powered by AI also decrease demand for in-store employees. As AI optimizes store operations, many retail workers face job losses or shifts to new roles requiring different skills. The transportation sector is undergoing a major transformation with AI-driven autonomous vehicles. Truck drivers, delivery personnel, and taxi drivers are at risk as companies test and deploy self-driving technology. This shift could lead to widespread layoffs in driving roles by 2026. While full adoption may take time, early impacts are already visible in pilot programs and logistics hubs. Finance and insurance industries use AI for underwriting, fraud detection, and customer service chatbots. These tools reduce the demand for analysts, claims processors, and call center agents. AI's ability to analyze large data sets quickly and accurately replaces many traditional finance roles, leading to layoffs in 2026 as firms streamline operations. AI-driven layoffs in 2026 are reshaping multiple sectors from manufacturing to finance. Understanding which industries are most affected helps you prepare for the future job market. Stay curious and informed because the AI revolution is changing the way we work. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.